How do you like the water that we drink?
When you are in a state of unhappiness, doesn't matter how pure the water you drink is, you don't receive full benefit from it. So we would rather that you are joyfully connected, which means you are able to overlook the impurities in the water and still remain connected to source and drink impure water, than that you have the purest water that you can fashion in your worry and pushing against impurities. So the more important question is, how do you like the water you drink?
Somehow I knew you were going to ask me that question. Today I love the water that I drink. And
you see, the thing that we want so much for you to hear is, because you're bordering on what we were playing with earlier. You're not bordering on it, you're jumping in it with both feet. What we were playing with earlier, that most people say, pure water makes me feel good, impure water makes me feel bad, therefore I must purify the water in order to feel good. And we say, if you can find a way of tuning yourself into source energy regardless of the water you're drinking. So let's play this out. So let's say you're drinking impure water and you believe it's giving you detrimental effects. And out of that, you launch rockets of desire for purer water, for better resources, for taking better care of your planet, for less pollution. So you're launching all of these rockets of desires, and Source is hearing them and providing all of that for you. But as you beat the drum of the impurity in the water, you don't have vibrational access to what you've been asking for. So then people will say, and it's very prevalent in a world of wanting to sell people things, most people want to point out what's wrong with things in order to get you to, in other words, if I can convince you that there's something really wrong with this, then maybe you'll want that. In other words, all of this information about global warming, and everyone is feeling impacted by it, and everyone is wanting to move into some sort of action about it. And we want to say to you, you do not need to dig the hole for yourself by beating yourself over the head with what's wrong in order to give birth to what's right. In other words, you don't have to have a nervous breakdown before you come out into the light. You can explore the contrast, give birth to what you want, and turn your undivided attention toward what you want and receive it. So you will never find us to be proponents about what's wrong with your planet. We will always be encouraging you to look wherever you're looking for the positive aspects. And when you find them in your alignment, as best as you can do from where you are, you will be guided to the resources that will fully answer every question, provide solutions to every problem, give clarity to every place that has been confused. No exception.
I have no other question.
Very good.